spot along this line. Okay, so let's get back behind the ball here for a second. And let's pick a good intermediate spot at that target. Probably somewhere right in here, correct? Correct. We're going to take that alignment ball. We're going to place it just parallel to the right of that. That looks parallel right to that. So then you can kind of work this shot pattern back along that while reinforcing that address position. Okay? So let's go ahead and set up to that. So the goal using this alignment rod is getting your chest and your hips square to this address position. Let's see how that changes ball flow. Good. Yeah, so just right of it. No pressure. So chip shot, so depending on the length, I've got my 9-iron. It's really one of my favorite clubs that I like to chip with. So I'm going to stand the club up, the ball back in my stance, feel some pressure in my left side, and make a putting stroke. See the ball rolls out, it's right up there next to the flag.
Birdie.
Now, say I was back here on a different type of lie where I had to carry the golf ball a little bit higher in the air, I would then start to widen my stance, play the ball a little bit more forward, and make more of a normal type of stroke. The ball's going to fly in the air and fly a little bit farther. Make sense?
Yep.
Awesome. Come stand right here for me. I want to demonstrate something for you. So, as we get that club moving back, when we get those arms up, we want to change our wrist position to where it's more flat like this. This is going to change the face angle, right? So if I make a swing where I get my arms up nice and high, but I cup my wrist, that's going to open the face in relation to the path. And to draw the ball, we want it closed in relation to the path. So I'm going to hit you 2 shots here. Fade. Right, ball started pretty straight, curved a little bit from left to right. Let's do one more, where I'm going to feel more of this face position this way.
Try to hit the 3 now. Once you start piping
You can kind of see that ball had a little bit of right to left on it and kind of jumped out. Really hit over the top of the golf ball.
I feel that. I feel that.
And so the thing that I notice with you is you struggle with the driver the most, right? You're always topping it, right?
Yep.
Because when you start getting moving this way and this way a lot, that's going to shift how that low point works. So what we want to try and get you to do is create this motion where when you pivot, you feel like you've got more weight here in your left side early, and as you swing down. So what I want you to do is I want you to feel this right leg start to extend as you turn back. So do that one more time and just hold that position. I'm going to come in there and adjust you. Okay, so we want our hips more like this. How do you feel? Where do you feel the pressure and the difference there?
I feel more in my front.
More in your left side, right? Yep. So now in this position, you don't have to lunge forward at it, right?
Right.
So let's go ahead and let's try and make a short swing at this golf ball, feeling that action. Beautiful. So right away, we want that pressure shifting into that feeling of that left foot.
Oh. Yeah, I thought it was going to curve in.
Excellent, Michael. Great job, dude. Really solid right Correct. So what happens here is when we start setting up, so grip the club forward. And what happens, what I see you doing here is you start kind of pushing your hands forward, sliding your hips back. Yep. So as we take this club back, we need to learn how to kind of turn our hips this way and get those hands going back like this, because what happens as I push my hands forward, see how the face angle changes? Totally. So now it's open. And the golf ball is generally going to go where the face is pointed. So if the face is pointed to the left, the golf ball is going to go back that way. Now, being a hockey player and a good athlete, you've probably learned how to kind of square that up over time and get that golf ball curving back there. And sometimes it gets going the other way, right? So we need to be a little bit more consistent. So let's go ahead and put another one down here. And what I want